Let's flash back to the 1867s to a young Christopher L. Scholes as he's working on the typewriter.
Finally got it! Something that allows me to type up all my important documents without my hands cramping up. Wow, it's like a miracle.
As you just saw, the marvelous invention, the typewriter, was born. And I'm Stephanie Chung, here to sell you this glorious product. The typewriter is notoriously known for its efficiency and practicality. Not only can you type neatly, but it print at the same time. Here's Paris Hilton with the latest on the milestone in technology.
This thing on? Okay. My daddy recently bought me this new typewriter and I totally love it. My puppy Tinkerbell and I recommend it.
And here's someone who's never used the typewriter.
All of my peers have a typewriter. They get their work done quickly and neatly, and they don't have cramped hands like me.
Last but not least, here's your everyday high school student talking about the typewriter.
Not only do you type, but you print at the same time. Wow. It's a fun, efficient, and easy way to work. I love doing all my schoolwork now, and I'm getting A's, like in every subject. Meanwhile, as I'm doing my essays, I avoid those annoying hand cramps that can get in the way. It's actually the best thing ever. If you call now, you can get the typewriter for a low, low price of $78.95. The number is 1-800-TYPE-WRITE. You don't want to be without this. Remember, the number is 1-800-TYPE-WRITE. Get it today.
Typewrite with the typewriter, yeah!
No, sir.